Me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Mittal Chauhan. I am from Surat, which is located in southern part of Gujarat state. I have completed my higher secondary education in the year 2012 from Gujarat board. I have been interested in field of international business management and I want to pursue the international degree. So I have planned for Finland. After choose the Finland as my further study destination, I started looking for university on internet and I got very important informations about this university on its official website. The main reason for selecting Finland for my bachelor study in international business management, Finland offers the high quality Finnish education and international degree with in-depth knowledge. Also, Finland is having one of the best education system all around the world. Study in Finland provides me the high standard European degree and also I will enjoy the high quality of teaching. It is a crime-free country which makes a Finland a fantastic place to study. So I am very much interested to study from Finland. I have choose this course because I have been interested in business planning, business finance and information management system. After reading the course structure carefully, I believe that it offers the innovative approaches to learn including the seminar, value-added presentation and case analysis. International degree from the Public University of Finland, I will be having a great chance to get a favorable job in desired field like sales manager, project manager and human resource specialist. I want to gain the professional training so later I will be having a great choice regarding the future career and also I want to work for one of the multinational company in Infosys, KPMG and Technova. I am very much interested to do my further study from Senagi University of Applied Science because it is one of the prestigious, oldest and highly reputed public university of Finland, which has established in the year 1992. Senagi University of Applied Science has recently received a Best University of Applied Science award in Finland. Universities of providing comprehensive educations offers in six fields of studies along with the high quality research development and the innovation services. That's why I am very much interested to pursue my further education from this university. My future career opportunities after completing this course, I can work as an international marketing director, financially trader, human resource manager and make me capable to so many opportunities in global market. Thank you.